Another new generation Range Rover. This car is a 3 litre, 350 brake horsepower D350 SE in Santorini Black with the right specs. So Santorini Black, 23-inch wheels, which are a must, shadowline exterior styling, black leather with the gloss black grand veneer inside, so it's the right interior colour that people like. 350 brake horsepower, 72 plate, best priced 72, for sale as a D350 in the UK today. The car is an SE model, comes with beautiful specs, soft closed doors, adaptive cruise control, heated steering wheel. It's got the big 23-inch wheels. As I mentioned, they're split spoke. They've been finished in high gloss black. Shadowline exterior gives you this beautiful grey colouring all the way around. It's not black. The colour before the shadowline is like a nickel colour. So you've got this beautiful colour on the badging, on the little segment of the grille, along that front bumper, and I think it breaks it up beautifully well. And, you know, we are selling these cars as Land Rovers come at the moment. They're having difficulties with specification, fulfilling orders. We are getting them, we are selling them, and we price them to sell as well. It's got privacy glass on the back, and it's also got an electric deployable tow bar. All the seats there are adjustable, electric tailgate. I'll just quickly show you the tow bar. There you have it. So electric deployable tow bar. This car's a 72, so it was registered after the 1st of September, registered this month. So you've got 3 years Land Rover warranty and 3 years Land Rover Assist. Let me show you inside. So the new Land Rover's got them lovely deployable door handles, and then you've got this beautiful interior. So you've got this gloss black, memory seat, Meridian sound system, black leather. It's got a slightly lighter roof lining as well, and we've got a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is being paid for as an option. Optional extras are so important. Wheels, sunroof, interior colour makes all the difference. The car's done just over 2,000 miles, and I'm just going to point out some of the key things. We've got heated steering wheel, we've got adaptive cruise control. You've got this new 3D digital cockpit which comes out. You've got the huge 13.1-inch screen inside. If I just go into the main menu and show you, you know, some key features. So we've got, if we go into camera system, you've got full 3D surround camera system, which is 3D, which has got towing assist as well, with the car having a tow bar. If we go back into the main menu and show you cabin lighting, so you've got beautiful ambient lighting with all the different colours inside as well. And everything's, you know, very, very usable because you've got this huge screen. You've got wireless charging, you can drop your phone down there. You know, there's other features, navigation, multimedia that you would expect, but I'm just trying to show you the key features. So you've got an internal blind, press the button. You've then got the sliding panoramic sunroof, which is a very, very important option. So inside, I think when people are looking at, you know, exterior Santorini Black, they like the black veneer inside. I think it sets the car off beautifully well. In the back as well, I'm just going to show you, obviously you've got privacy glass, we've got soft closed doors as standard. You've got rear adjustable electric seats, beautiful in the back. Rear seats are heated as well, and you've got that ambient lighting running throughout the back. There's bags of space as well. You know, so much room in a new Range Rover. Very, very comfortable. And then you've got this lighter roof lining, which I think's lovely. Just very, very nice. Now the car's running, you can see them beautiful, distinctive LED red lights at the back, which swoop open and closed when the car is turned on and off. Beautiful example, price to sell, 23-inch wheels, sliding sunroof, shadowline exterior, electric tow bar, D350, very important, a 350 brake horsepower engine. Thank you for watching.